welcome to my kitchen. I am going to do a no-bake peanut butter bar recipe for you this morning. So let's get started. Okay, what you want to do is you want to put 1 cup of peanut butter. Okay, now as I had told you before, I don't use regular peanut butter like from a jar, you know, all made up with oils, added oils and all that. I use this powder peanut butter. And so what I did is I took 8 tablespoons and then water, and I mixed it up and got a really nice creamy peanut butter to make 1 cup. You want to take some honey, which is 1/3 of a cup of honey. So far we have 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of honey. So after you mix that into your peanut butter, you put it in your microwave for 30 seconds. So after you get your peanut butter and your honey in your microwave for 30 seconds, you'll want to do 3 cups of oatmeal. And I use rolled oats, old-fashioned oats. I don't use the quick oats. I suppose you could, but I'm not going to. Whoops. 2, 3. The recipe didn't say anything about these. I thought, I'm going to add these. I know it's a no-bake, but that's okay. You can eat these. And then for nuts, I'm going to use pecans. It's up to you how many you want. If you don't want a whole lot, because they didn't even add nuts to their bars. But I like to add nutritional things to mine. So there we go. Just sprinkle a little bit of pecans or walnuts or cashews. If you like cashews, you could break up some cashews and put it in here. So that's what I got right there. And what you want to do is you just want to add it to your oats. So then you want to just stir it around there. But if you're going to put this in the oven, you want to use parchment paper. I'm not putting it in the oven. I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator. So I'm going to just use wax paper. So, all right. And you want to just kind of squish it down into making bars. You want to put them in the refrigerator, and when they're solid, you can cut them and be ready to go. Okay, so this is what they look like after they set in the refrigerator and got solid. And I already cut them, and you can cut them in however big you want them. And then just put them on a plate. There we go. My daughter already had one and she said they're delicious. She really liked them. So you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.